Hi chicas, so this video is to kind of tell you more or less how the week should go, and more than likely the weeks to follow will have the same format. So if you go here to the it says 25th, but I'm making it over the weekend, so it's when we're supposed to meet with our new schedule. We're meeting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You still have like little assignments for here and there, but that you'll have to complete over the week. But mainly we'll have like our big chunk of work Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so let's start with this. We're gonna try a new website that I found that lets us read stories and practice general vocabulary through stories, and it's gonna ask you questions. Truly interactive. It's called Garbanzo, and so here, if you see the link, you just have it copy paste it in your URL, and then when you get there, this is your code. Another thing I did for this week is this infographic. I'm just gonna open here, and the infographic looks like this. It has a screenshot of what the week is gonna look like. We're gonna be learning new vocabulary, reading stories through Garbanzo, watching videos with information, grammar and vocab, and so we keep up our listening and comprehension. And then you will be completing some activities online, either because it comes on a Google form, on a Quizlet, or through Garbanzo, etc. So here I have a small shot of what it would look like. So Wednesday, miércoles, we're gonna watch these two videos. One is called Reflexive Verbs. As you play the videos are gonna have questions, and also the first one is gonna be where you take your notes. So make sure when you do this you have paper and pencil. Then copy of copy is a video that will allow you to practice what you just learned. Then I have a Quizlet. You can go into Gravity and get as much points as possible, or use the other forms of Quizlet to practice the vocabulary. I'm still trying to figure it out. How can I track what you're doing and whatnot? Here you're gonna also have the workbook page 344, and then will be a classroom assignment that you have to complete. Each class, when we meet Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, should have a workload of about an hour. So hopefully this will keep you busy for about an hour. So okay, let's go to Jueves, Thursday. You're gonna work in Garbanzo. So again, here's the link, here's the code. You're gonna start reading through the stories. The idea is that when you look at the end of the week or weekend, you have to complete by Monday. So you either do it throughout the day, during the week, or the weekend, but you at least will complete three of the stories that I have there for as an assignment, okay? Viernes, Friday, you're gonna watch again another video that has questions. The first one will be verbos reflexivos nivel A2, and the second one will be expresar la rutina diaria. They will be all available from Monday. So yeah, I mean from Wednesday. So you just have to make sure that you watch the right ones, okay? You again have a workbook page 345 and a Google Classroom assignment. Make sure again that you go and you keep practicing your vocabulary through Quizlet. If you're done soon, you can keep going to your Garbanzo and practice your readings. Okay, feliz semana, chicas. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll still post the daily announcements, so make sure that you read those. If we meet, it will say there that